Happy Hug Your Cat Day. We are now collecting pictures of cats. If you have a picture of a craft, drawing, or coloring page with a cat in it, you can submit it to be included in a future video. Upload your picture to Twitter, Facebook, Google+, or Instagram with the hashtag easycraftshunt to submit it for the video. All images submitted will be considered for the video, which will be released next month. We look forward to seeing all of the great cat pictures. Find us on your favorite social media website and at easycraftshunt.com. Pictures provided by easycraftshunt.com. Made with Pixlr Editor and Movie Maker. Intro by Delphin Studios. Music by Kai Engel. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and share. Subscribe for more fun craft videos, and thanks for watching.